First of all, at Amazon, you need to work on your app. I wrote a review which went missing due to your site going down or some glitch in your system. I got the dog page and I lost my review. Please work on it and make an auto draft option available for the review comment section in case any such glitch in the system ever occurs. Now coming to the review of the product, after a long and tiring efforts to hunt for the best deal on the laptops where Flipkart was running the laptop bonanza, I chose the C14 ThinkPad. It's due to the following reasons: the description of the product that served the illusion of it being the best deal. Slashed price was 1k a 5k extra than the price printed on the laptop box. So, the discount figure is not correct. The said build quality is that of the mil specs, which I still believe it must be. But personally am not going to test my laptop for those specs validations. But I did find a few physical gaps on the joints of various parts of the laptop body structure. Also, the USP of it being full metal body might not be true for each and every variant of E14. Thus the discounted offering. I would still suggest that the price is just there with the package we get bundled in the box. Core i5 10th Gen fast processor variant and not the other variants of the 10th Gen i5. Those are good, but this one is the best, with 128GB SSD, hopefully PCIe NVMe M2 need to check this, plus 1TB HDD with FHD display and viewing angles are better and more than the other laptops in this price range. I would say best-in-class display. ThinkPad itself is a well-reputed segment that is set to deliver the professional class performance, and I believe it will be able to meet that benchmark it has set for itself. But with the drawback of it having only one slot for RAM may make it a deal breaker for many, its well-known keyboard experience. Anyone who has used a ThinkPad knows this very well, and this makes the ThinkPad irresistible to use. Its weight with such a configuration and specs was said to be between 1.7 and 1.8 kg. I feel it, though compact it looks heavier than that when lifted. It's not bulky, but either the weight distribution has not been done properly or may not have even been thought of during its design phase, or it actually is heavier, which I feel is close to 2 kg on a plus side. We'll weigh it on a scale and confirm back. Now coming to its few negative traits. It does not have a full metal body but thin metal just on the screen flap, which looks like a metallic spray paint done on the plastics. The rest is a good quality plastic, but its USP is not applicable for all its variants. It may be true only for a few select high-end and less to no discounted models. The edges where the body is plastic are too sharp, and that either is due to less focus on its refinement or due to cost cutting. It as such will not have paper cuts kind of wounds, but it does feel uncomfortable to handle when working on this laptop. Resting it over my lap. Warranty start date shows a week before date of the actual purchase date on its site and the Vantage app. This might not be an issue that can't be fixed through customer care, but it does look like an insurance scheme of saving the coverage tenure by a week to 10 days on the insured product. If it's a glitch in the system, needs a bulk correction, and if it really is a scheme, then please get rid of it, Lenovo, as it for sure hampers your reputation. Also, my coverage type is shown different in Vantage App Depot, which in actual is on site, and that's at least correct on the warranty site. Plus the premium for the extended warranty looks little too much, with the exponential increase in premium amount with the rise in the years in warranty to be extended. I would also want to know until what time period can I see this extension option available for me? In compared to the Dell Latitude segment that has varieties of products to offer and each one of the variants has its own attraction, I felt ThinkPad E14 misses that wow factor in terms of its variants offerings as well as the user experience. But Latitude segment of laptop is not in personal offerings anywhere and is only available with a GSTIN, thus ThinkPad has an edge over the other laptop brands and the respective variants. Leave the Apple laptops out of this league, which the brand is encashing just there. Not a long working marketing strategy and model it looks to me. The laptop for sure is compact and I seriously am happy with it. But it's as said above is not light and for sure is not thin. So another USP looks like a bluff in the plain sight to me. Yes, it indeed is thin and light when compared within its predecessors, but in this same Think segment, sub-segment ThinkBook is thinner and I must believe lighter than the equipment ThinkPad 128GB SSD. Even if it may be bundled with the latest tech for speed, it does not feel enough. 256GB should have been the bare minimum in its spec. There are so many other brands offering 256GB with 1TB with dedicated and not integrated graphics in this very price segment. Single memory slot. It has 8GB single DDR4 RAM chip installed, which if an upgrade is needed, could only be done with a replacement and not clubbing, which in case of other LR. Also the max RAM is capped to 16GB and not 32GB or more, which again is a bummer in my opinion. And that too may be due to this single memory slot available with the laptop. Office that has been offered as MS Office 2019 is not the complete one. It offers only Word, Excel and PowerPoint. And if the others are not to be offered, should not have been pre-installed. McAfee is bundled with 30-day trial. That was not needed. Either give it in full or do not give it at all. Time to summarize, leaving all marketing propaganda. If I talk about just the product, I would say it is worth for money I paid, with a slight room of improvement on its physical refinement and polish. It looks solid, performs well, serves the day in and day out tasks any IT professional may have at the personal grounds. So a big 4-star for this device, which in actual should be priced at 60k and not 87k plus change with a slash to a discounted 60k price tag. With the name comes the reputation and it is tough to maintain it. When the variant comes into this price segment, the reputation is what comes in for scrutiny. I hope Lenovo works on this and we see a more truthful products in the future to come. This is best laptop for business work. After lots of research I choose this laptop. Lenovo ThinkPad series is best for business purpose. Processing is very fast. Click link in description for more reviews.